How to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android. So if you want to fix Messenger floating video call not working on your Android, then what you need to do is first you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps. Under apps, you can go with see all apps, go with search, which is on the top right, and then search for Messenger. Tap on Messenger. Under Messenger, if you scroll down, then here you will have an option of display over other apps. You need to tap on it and allow the display over other apps. Once you've allowed, now you need to go back and then go with picture in picture. Make sure this is also allowed. And once you've done with this, now you need to go back, go with your Messenger again. Under Messenger, go with notifications. Make sure that you allow the notifications. After allowing the notifications, now you need to go back, restart your device, and after restarting, you will receive the floating video call option. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.